Welcome to part 9, square 1. Welcome part 9, square 1. I average about a minute, more than a minute on this. Bit inconsistent, but still, yeah. Let's get started then. We're scrambling. So yeah, square 1. Not really got much more to say. Oh yeah, this is part 9 of the series of every official event walkthrough. I've already said it's part 9, so yeah. God, I hate scrambling way of square 1. Hand scrambles aren't that good. Still, let's just take this. So yeah, what I see is this shape and this. So what I'm going to do is pair this up so these two edges remain there. Put this edge here so that when I bring up these 4, we got the same shape as before. So we bring it down here, and then we end up with, well, scallop. Well, we had scallop. Now we've got scallop. And now we just use that cube shape. Yay! Now to move on to CO. So yeah, that's green, so I'll go R2. Oh, the edge is there too, so bonus. We got blue edge as well, so that when we bring this up and pull this back down, we have this followed by this. So yeah, I use this in that case. We'll solve the bottom, unsolve one of those. Now I use this algorithm to solve EP when there's just one on each face to be swapped. Okay, now we skipped CP, corner permutation, and now use this algorithm to swap the two adjacent well, what that does is it swaps these two pieces and these two pieces. Now we have a U-term perm on top. If I can remember this. I do have an alg for this. What is it? It's either this one or that backwards. Yes, it was that backwards. Oops, did that wrong. But yeah, you get the idea. I think I might create a parody. Nah. Let's just solve this U-perm. Get it over and done with. There will only be 3 for this one, by the way. And voila! Example solve 1 is complete. Oh no, sorry, not 3, 4. Too simple. We don't want kite. That's easily solved. I think that's what it's called. Oops, pop. Hey, that could help. Sorry about this. Technical difficulties. Gotta find that. I want it there. Oh, that didn't go well. Okay, here we go. I see this shape. And I see what I can do already. I'll bring this scallop like that. I'll bring these two pieces up so that these two pieces stay the same. So when I bring them up, you can see half of the thing is with these little pieces, so that when I bring it back down to this, I get this, which I can separate to scallop. And as before, perform that series of moves. Now we move on to the next step. I've already got 3 corners solved, but the way I do CP is, well, sorry, not CP, CO, is this. I put a wrong corner in so that I can bring in a right one easily. And now I get the easiest of all EO cases. And this time I don't have a CP skip. I fix the middle layer. Not. I swapped the middle layer, that's what I did. Now I perform the alga that swaps these two that I use. It's a nice one actually for square one. It's very 90 degrees turns. Now I haven't got parity here because these are both impossible cases to solve on a 3x3. So there's no U perm, it's not a Z perm, it's not an H perm. Now I've got a double U perm scenario going on, so I'll solve this one. Correctly, and then I'll solve the other one, which is the same, thank goodness. I'm not very good at performing it backwards today. And then fix middle layer, pop a piece in the process, and done. That's it. Scramble the cube also up, well, ping a piece, that will melt. Still, let's scramble it again. So, halfway. And I really need improved hand scrambling square one. We got fist. I'll just take it off camera. Alright, take that. Apparently there's 90 shapes to a square one. And computer's green red scrambles are so much better, but harder to get to. Oh, this is an interesting one. So, this I'll take here. As you can see, it slices through, taking all the edges with it. I'm going to bring it up to this, which is sort of half of kite, and creates this. It's got a scallop, which I'll bring up to these two pieces. That makes this half pie thing. Bring it here, and well, it's wrong. I perform this slight alg, where I separate them into two sets of three and three like that. So then when I bring them up, we have this. We form a scallop. Part of the scallop, so yeah, 4 pieces together with 2. So, and we bring them down to there, and yeah, that's what I do, mate. God, explaining square one just seems so more harder than other events. Alright, I see the green here and there, so I go and we put the edge in. Put this edge in, so it's not matching, so as you can see when I bring it up, it will match. And in the process, well, yeah. Oh, we got another easy somewhat case. At least we don't have 2 of that. Or else I'll have to perform the algo used for the single twice. That's the worst case I can end up with. Alright, oh, another CP skip. No, for EP, edge permutation. We've got a Z term on top, and we have come across parity, I say. And I use a standard parity alg. That's 3, I think. This is going to be the last one. If it isn't, oh well. Keeping count of these is annoying. No. This sort of case again. No, it's slightly different though. Anyway, we got these 3 on top and this down here. So what I decide to do is bring down these 2 lot. It's a bit odd numbered, whatever. So I bring this odd 3 and this one down here up to these 2 and form a, well, part of a scallop. And these 2. I bring these 2 across and this across so these 2 can meet together, form scallop on both sides. So we've got scallop. Bring that up, form kite, and then we've done that part. Oh, look, we've got these 3 pieces connected. How nice. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to bring in that. These are paired up nicely. Oh, we've got a bit of a problem here. That'd be so nice to do, but we're going to have to bump one edge out. So yeah, now I do the alg since, well, I had a piece here and a piece there. We get an H-pin, and this case, the CP case again, where I swap these two with this alg. I am not going to bother calling out freaking square one algs. The notation would be so bloody annoying. And now, we don't have parity. And, not much parity. Hang on, no, we do. I was wrong. Hang on, no, I don't. If that was an H-pin, we don't. If it wasn't, we don't. Yep, we have parity. You can tell because if one face has got a U-perm on it, for example, one side's got a Z-perm, you haven't got parity. If one side has a U-perm, another side has something like a W-perm, which is just this edge needs to go here, this edge needs to go here, this edge needs to go here, and this edge needs to go here, sort of thing. This edge, if it was solved, well, it's basically like a U-perm but with all four pieces. Anyway, let's perform this alg again where I swap these two pieces and these two pieces. And efficiently. God, I need algs that will only apply to the top layer. Still, change middle layer, perform parity, fix middle layer, swap layers, fix middle layer down, done. That's square one. The next part will be the final part.